internet, that money as we know it is dead. Soon the world is only going to buy and sell products using Bitcoin.
What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, coming at you with another quick, whatever you want to call it. But first things first, thank you for all the donations. Thank you to all my new subscribers. We're up to 800 and I think 22 subscribers. I appreciate you all. Shout out to the old subscribers. Shout out to my new subscribers. Shout out to the people who send me donations via Monero, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and also PayPal. The PayPal donations are also picking up. If you guys would like to send me donations, please check the About section for this channel. I have contact information there. If you want to do some, schedule a one-on-one cryptocurrency trading session. All right, and I also have a list of different altcoins that I accept, maybe about 15 different altcoins there. First thing first, guys, I want to clear up something that I noticed that I said in my last video about Monero implementing SegWit. Monero wouldn't be able to exactly implement SegWit. What I actually meant was if they fix their scaling, all right? Now, if Monero finds a solution to fix their scaling problems, then the price will increase a bunch. All right, so it could be a spin-off of SegWit, like how Ethereum has a spin-off of the Lightning Network called Raiden. So which is kind of similar, the same way or whatever. But yeah, so Monero wouldn't actually be able to implement SegWit, but they can implement somewhat of a spin-off, and I wouldn't be surprised if they're actually already working on that. All right. Second thing, Bitcoin has pulled back. The lowest I saw it was 937. All right. There's a lot of pressure at a lot of sell pressure at 1,000. All right. I'm thinking people want to keep Bitcoin under a certain price, whether it is so they can ride the range and trade within the range, ride it up, short it back down, or whether it's because they wanna try to see if they can pick up more Bitcoins or whatever it is. All right, but there's a lot of sell pressure at 1,000. All right, and the way that the market is reacting, the altcoin market is reacting to this Bitcoin bull run, and it just tells me that it's going to be a really, really big year for altcoins. All right, not all altcoins, but the better ones, the Factoms, the Ethereum Classics, things like that. All right, the Ethereums. Let's not just, I'm not trying to shit on Ethereum, part of my language, but I think it's going to be a pretty big year for a couple different cryptocurrencies. As a matter of fact, let me get my tablet real quick. Okay, yeah, guys, before we get in, went and grabbed my tablet real quick. Before we get into the big year that I think the stronger altcoins is going to have, let's just continue on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, for me looking at the chart, I'm looking at coin market cap right now. And Bitcoin fell to about, like I said, about 930, the 930-ish, 935-ish, right? And the next actual level of support that I see for Bitcoin is 890. All right. Now, right now, with Bitcoin dropping to 935, it came down, it touched my moving average, all right, and it pulled back up. If you guys didn't see my last Monero video where I explained how the market usually reacts, go and check that out. But it dropped down to 930, touched the moving average, pulled back up, all right. Now, also, you guys just got to check out some of my trading videos, but when the market usually forms these long tails, all right, it usually likes to come back down and fill those areas out. All right. So we have a long tail down here where it looked like it formed a hammer. All right. And I don't want to get too all over the place but whatever. There's a couple long tails down here in the Bitcoin chart that the market may want to come back and fill out. All right. And the next actual level of support that I'm seeing for Bitcoin is around 890. So I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin came down to 890. All right. Now, this is just, in my opinion, this is just my technical analysis. And if Bitcoin does come down to 890, it's not the end of the world. Bitcoin still performed very well. All right. But from my analysis right here, from my brief analysis, Bitcoin may very well come back down into 890, consolidate before it pulls back up, or maybe even pushes a little bit lower to around 862. All right, this is just my technical analysis. Don't try to kill me. I know you guys hate, I know a lot of people hate when I say that Bitcoin is going to sell off a little bit, but it's just my technical analysis. Overall, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. All right. So while Bitcoin is doing all this, let me run over to CoinMarketCap real quick. Altcoins are breaking out. All right. We have Monero made its up move. Ethereum Classic made a big up move. Dash made a big up move. Even Steam. That says a lot. Even Steam. And Steam has been performing very poorly, but even Steam held steady and broke upward. All right. Economy, Factom, Waves, Zcash, all of these markets have been performing pretty well. All right. I thought BitShares was going to perform a little bit better, but I guess it has some more consolidation to figure out before it makes its move. All right, so I think it's going to be a big year for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin as well, just because I think certain altcoins are going to perform very well. Oh, I forgot about Maidsafe. Maidsafe, I think, is going to perform as well too. But just because I think altcoins are going to perform well in 2017 does not mean that I am bearish Bitcoin, because I am very bullish Bitcoin. I trade altcoins to get more Bitcoin. All right. So, yeah. A little bit of Ripple news. Ripple added more coins to the available supply. All right. And after they added more coins, the market cap increased. In all actuality, the only way that should have happened is as soon as they released these new coins, somebody instantly bought them. If somebody didn't instantly buy them as the coins were released, what should have happened is the coins should have been released, and that should have diluted the market cap, actually bringing it down. So I don't know what's going on with Ripple. I don't want to say that it's just a total manipulation. I need to look a little bit further into it. It does have almost a 1.2 24-hour volume. So maybe they added more coins and somebody on the inside or some inside information instantly bought them up at a maybe a slightly discounted rate. Who knows? Let me guys know what you think about that in the comment section, and let me guys know what you think about altcoins going up in the comment section, or what altcoins you like. Let's just have just tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Once again, if you would like to schedule some one-on-one trainings with me via Skype, email me chasethatcoin@gmail.com. If you would like to donate to my channel, it's going to help make my channel a lot better. I'm going to add some lighting and different things. Check out the About section for my channel. So you just click my channel, Go over about 4 tabs, hit about. There's a list of different altcoins and PayPal, my PayPal information. And yeah, enjoy your New Year's. Don't get too drunk. Be safe and keep chasing those coins, ladies and gentlemen.